Welcome to the Adobe Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to enhance an image from this to this. But first, hit the thumbs up icon below because each like will show your support, and subscribe for more videos of Adobe Photoshop. Open the adjustments panel on the right side and click on levels. Levels are mainly used to adjust brightness in an image. You can see moving the slider to the right side is making the image darker and darker. You can adjust the darkness of your image as how it feels better to you. Similarly, the slider on the left side will make the image brighter and brighter as we move it toward left. Adjust it according to your image. Now the first part of enhancing our image is done. Again, go to adjustment panel and click on the vibrance. I normally prefer to use or increase the vibrance of an image rather than saturation, because saturation makes the color of an image quite overwhelming. So increase the vibrance to max or nearly max, and a little bit of saturation up to 10 or 20 is perfect. Now look at the image, the colors look much better than the original image, it looks more bright and crisp. Thanks for watching the video, please like and subscribe so that I can keep making these videos. You can ask any question in the comment section below.